it's the weekend, and Meg and I are gonna go do a little bit of camping out in Squamish. We're gonna take you guys along with us. Been a crazy 3 weeks of work, and it's time to go to the woods. So here we go. Ba, 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 ba. Oh, hey, Tommy. Whee, he's ready to go.
Back at it again, this time sporting a tank top.
We finally hit gravel, so you know what time it is to lower that PSI down to a nice soft PSI.
Okay, so because I get this question asked by so many people, and it frustrates me to no end when people ask me, what PSI do I run? And it's totally arbitrary. Run whatever PSI you frickin' want. Today, I'm going down to 15 PSI because I'm not actually really wheeling, but I just want a softer road. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just gonna go in increments of 5 PSI. I hope you guys are happy that I had to explain that. Alright, tires are down. We're on the gravel road, and we're off to find our camp spot. The road is already really, really bumpy. What do you think, Megan? Yay! She's excited. Well, love, I think we've reached the dead end.
Darn it.
Darn it. Well, as you saw, there's a avalanche path right in the way of our little trek here. So we're gonna turn around and go find another place. Hopefully we find something because it's pretty late in the day and there's a lot of people out here. Whoa!
I know, I saw it.
Holy heck. Megan trying to get the shot. Whoa! Look at those rapids down there. Whew. Holy moly. Now we're just gonna go drive across this sketchy bridge. So Megan, what do you think of this bushwhacking adventure of ours?
It's interesting. Aren't you glad to use such tough paint?
Yeah. Sure. Okay.
No. I've gotten whacked in the face a lot. Yeah.
So many cool things up here. Well, we finally found a spot. It's definitely not exactly what we were looking for, but I think the trade-off is kind of alright. Yeah, that ain't so bad, hey?
Chips and beverages.
Yep.
This is what life's about.
Well, I think this is a spot to drink beverages.
Mm-hmm.
Home for the night. Hello, love.
Oh, hey there. You ready for burritos?
I'm ready for burritos.
And beer?
More beer.
Good.
Excellent. Well, we were gonna make burritos tonight, but it's gonna be Mexican fiesta night.
On the jet boil.
But yeah, so we kind of forgot the propane for this, so it's time to use an itty bitty little jet boil.
Well, we shouldn't use that because that's what we need for coffee in the morning.
That's fine.
Well, can we use this? No? Please? I don't believe that you can take away the Mexican taste
No,
from
I
this.
think we definitely can.
I don't trust you.
You can trust me.
No.
Oh, yum. It's got some delicious fixins. Got the burrito.
Salsa.
Salsa. Burrito. Yum, yum, yum.
How's that for ASMR?
Yeah.
The tortilla slap.
Just slap that tortilla down. We've got burritos. We've got burritos. We've got burritos. Yep, 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 yep.
He's found a log. Got his axe. Oh, smell that.
Wet cedar? No problem.
Yeah.
We have fire.
The next morning.
What are you doing with that screen?
I'm putting it up.
Well, it's a sunny day out here, and I think it's time that we go on adventure. Look at that creamy goodness. Oh, so creamy. Coffee, come to me. He's over here picking your nose.
Get away.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Cheers, love.
Cheers.
We're all packed up. We're ready to go. We're gonna go find somewhere to swim. All right. So we're teaching Megan how to drive stick, and she's driving stick on this gravel road, and she's doing a great job so far. Woo! Uh-oh. I was thinking.
River day.
River day. With a view.
I think you better put on sunscreen.
Oh. To the beach we go. Okay, now we get to see just how cold the water is. This is all glacial runoff. Yep, it's cold. It's very cold. How is it, babe?
It's nice. This is pretty nice. Check it out.
Yeah. Well, Megan went in already. Guess that means I have to. Crap! Oh! It's very cold! Ah! I think I have to run in.
Okay, this is how the Jacksons get in the water.
Jackson gets in the water.
Just so everyone knows, it's not that bad.
She's going in yet again. Amazing. Well, we're done swimming. Time to head out the rest of the way.
Home time.
Alright folks, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed our little weekend mini adventure. If you liked what you saw today, feel free to let us know. And if you liked it, hit that like button thingy. And if you want to continue to see more of these videos, hit that subscribe button. So until next time, just remember to keep on roaming. Bye! I'm a dork, I know!